Hi, and welcome to Learn English Slow for Beginners. Please relax and enjoy Foundation 4. There is no need to remember anything. Let the English words surround you slowly and calmly. You are doing very well. Let us begin. Here are the English words for today. Just listen. Do not repeat. Eat. Drink. Sit. Stand. Walk. I. You. Here. Now, listen to the English words and repeat them after me. Eat. Eat. Drink. Drink. Sit. Sit. Stand. Stand. Walk. Walk. I. You. Here. Here. Good. Nice and slow. Now we can make some joined words. You can repeat them if you like. I eat. Eat here. You drink. Drink this. You sit. I sit here. You stand. I stand here. Walk home. Walk to work. Eat here. We walk. You sit. Stand here. Sit here. Drink here. Good. Now, listen to a short story using the words. I am here. I sit here. I feel good. I eat. I drink. You are here. You stand. We walk home. We sit. You eat this. You drink. We feel happy. Very good. Okay, let us hear the English words one more time. Eat. Drink. Sit. Stand. Walk. I. You. Here. Very good. Okay, that is all for today. You did very well. Relax now, and I will see you in Foundation 5. If you enjoyed this lesson, you can like, share, and subscribe.